How would you define your destination in 5 words?
Regional Ethnographic Open Air Museum Eter, Gabrovo. Crafts, culture, innovations, creative artisans.
Why betting on creative tourism?
Creative tourism has been the essence of Regional Ethnographic Open Air Museum Eter, Gabrovo for 50 years.
What are your destination's assets in terms of creative tourism?
Eter Museum is a living picture of a bygone period. If you visit the unique open-air ethnographic museum Eter, you will enter a different world from the present day, the world from the Bulgarian revival period.
Why is it important to be part of a network?
We want to exchange experiences and make the world a more perfect place for everyone. We want to exchange experiences with other professionals and understand their cultural achievements.